If you're looking to only buy one spreader and never have to buy a spreader again, you don't want to get this Scott spreader, and that's why I'm throwing mine out. Very popular. You're going to see this in all the big box stores, and it's the Scott's Turf Builder and it's the Edgeguard Mini. This thing is great if you're looking to get started in lawn care. Maybe you're not too sure if you want to continue on. You don't want to spend too much money. At $50, it's a good entry level spreader. So this spreader here has the impeller and it does spin and spreads the product, and it does spread the product really well. But the issue that I have had with this, the impeller actually sits below the wheels, so you can see here. So a lot of the product does come up and over the wheels, but you do end up with a lot of product getting stuck in here. And because the wheels are plastic, they're not filled in, that you can actually get product stuck in the back of the wheel here. And then that ends up depositing, and you end up with lines like this across your lawn, which means you're just not getting good even coverage that you were expecting from your broadcast spreader. So that's the first thing I don't like about this. Second thing is the wheels. They're plastic. You hit a bump with these, it knocks off course. You either lose product out of the hopper, or maybe you don't get as good even coverage because it starts tilting and you end up dropping more product on one side than the other. And I just don't like it. It gets caught up on bumps in the lawn. Now, if you've got a really smooth lawn, that won't be a problem for you. But for majority of DIYers, you're probably not going to have a perfectly smooth lawn. The gate at the bottom here, you lift this up. Now, that's how you control how much product is going to be deposited, and you need to calibrate this very often because every time you get to the end of the run, you have to close this gate and open it back up again. And this is the mechanism for dropping the product down. So this isn't calibrated correctly. That level 4 setting isn't level 4 anymore. It could be 7, and then you're dropping more product than you need to. To only buy one spreader, never have to buy a spreader again, you don't want to get this Scott spreader, and that's why I'm throwing mine out.